Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show at day 4 na, May 26, 2024. Ayun, kompleto na ang ating 20 winners para sa aking birthday. Ayun, nakuha na nila ang cash prize.
Flashback.
Hello everyone, at day 4 na ng Transport Show at nandito pa rin tayo sa SMX. Kasama natin si Ma'am Max. Ayun.
Hi everyone, I'm Max.
Ayun.
Hi Alex! Happy birthday to our Gemini there. Sana marami ka pang puntahan at marami kang i-photoshoot at i-interview. Wag lang ako ha. Bye!
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show, day 4. Ayun. At syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Miranda. Ayun.
Hello!
Then, hello everyone, at ngayon ay day 4 ng Transport Show. At syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Nina. Ayun.
Hi!
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa SMX at day 4 na ng Transport Show. Ayun. At kasama natin si Ma'am Ana. Ayun. Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show, day 4. Ayun. At May 26, 2024. 2 days na lang, birthday ko na. Ayun. Then, kasama natin si Ma'am Rica. Ayun. Hello everyone, at ngayon ay day 4 ng Transport Show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Choi. Ayun.
Hi everyone!
End of flashback.
Hi, Bob Alex! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hello everyone, at day 4 na ng Transport Show. Ayun, nasa SMX pa rin tayo, May 26. At kasama natin si Ma'am Chami. Ayun.
Hi, everyone!
Then, syempre, before we start our vlog, ayun, outfit check muna natin si Ma'am or uniform check kay Ma'am Chami. Ayun. Yeah. Comment down below kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang outfit for today. Ayun. Then, Ma'am Chami, ano po pala yung boot nyo as of the moment dito sa Transport Show, Ma'am?
It's JS Racing.
Ayan.
So, from Japan po siya, but we also have branch here in the Philippines.
Okay. Then, so, sample nga, Japan, Ma'am. Japanese.
Hi, gozaimasu.
Wow. And then yun, Ma'am, ayun nga, kasi may boyfriend ka, ayun. Tapos may wedding expo sa taas, or bridal fair, ayun. Nag-book na po ba kayo sa taas?
Secret. Mamaya pa kakaalaman.
Okay. So, invited po ba kami?
Pag may pasobra, sabay gano'n eh.
Then, ayun. More on serious naman tayo, Ma'am. Ayun. Kamusta naman po ang experience so far itong Transport Show this year, Ma'am?
Okay naman. Actually, madami din mga bumisita and luckily nanalo din kami ng trophy for this show.
Wow. So,
Yes.
ano pala yung award na na-receive? recently?
For this one, yan, first modern hatch.
Nice.
Yes.
Then, and ma'am, regarding po pala dito sa, ano ma'am, sa booth nyo ma'am, is, ayun, marami po bang mga parang napapunta or parang nag-inquire or something ma'am?
Madaming nagpa-picture actually. And then, may mga gusto rin mag-inquire. Hopefully, bumalik din sila sa amin, mga clients.
Ayan. Then, and ma'am, nakapaglibot na po ba kayo dito sa transport?
No,
No,
hindi pa. Maybe later, pag may enough time pa kami.
Then, ayun ma'am Chani, ayun, may isang subscriber na, ayun nga, nagtanong na ano daw po yung parang pinakalamang or pinaka best feature ni Ma'am Chani kaysa sa other models, ma'am.
Ay, may ganon.
May ganon.
Siguro yung pagiging charming yan. Kasi, ako, smiling face ako lagi. Ganon.
Then, ayun ma'am, regarding po pala sa ma'am, sa photoshoot or mga pictorial, ano ang favorite pose mo or pinoproject sa camera?
Siguro, finger.
Wow.
Feeling Koreana.
May pa-heart, may pa-opa.
Ganon.
Then, and ma'am, regarding po sa mga future events, ano po yung mga upcoming events na meron po kayo, ma'am?
Next week, Sigma, at saka yung parang B2B something, halos kasabay ng Sigma din yun.
Nice.
Ah.
Then, and ma'am, any advice, ma'am, para sa mga, na, ayun nga, na paano maging fit na kagaya nyo? Kasi, ayun nga, sabi nila, medyo fit daw po kayo, ma'am.
Wow, thank you. Wala na.
Napanood kasi nila yung, ma'am, yung sa
first
labas.
vlog,
Yung sa, ayun.
Ay, ganon. Thank you. Advice, siguro control lang din sa pagkain. Tapos, work lang ng work. Tingnan natin kung di ka pumayat. Ay, ganon.
And, ayun, ma'am, any message para sa inyong fans and followers, ma'am?
Ayun, thank you sa lahat. And hopefully, magkita-kita pa tayo sa next events.
Ayan. At hopefully, ayun, invited kami sa wedding niyo, ma'am.
Sorry guys.
Ayun, yun. Once again, thank you, Ma'am Chami. Ayun.
Thank you din.
Hello everyone, at ayun, day 3 na ng Transport Show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Shimi Ferrer. Ayun.
Hi, everyone.
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show. Ayun, day 3 at May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am Lu. Ayun.
Hi.
Hello everyone, at ngayon ay day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, at syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Abby. Ayun. Then, Ma'am Abby, hello everyone, at ayun, day 3 ng Transport Show. Syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Carmen. Ayun.
Hi.
Hello everyone, today is day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am Chelsea. Ayun. Then, hello everyone, today is May 25, 2024, day 3 ng transport show. At kasama na natin si Ma'am Mika. Ayan.
Hello.
Then, hello everyone! Today is day 3 ng transport show, May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am Kiana.
Hello.
Then, hello everyone! Today is day 3 ng transport show. Siyempre, ang hyper natin kasama.
I know, right?
Si Ma'am Silvana.
Yes. Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone! Day 3 ng transport show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Sandra. Ayun. Hello everyone! Today is day 3 ng transport show, May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am Rosie. Ayun. Hello everyone! Today is day 3 ng transport show. Ayun, May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am Tash. Ayun. Hello everyone! Nandito tayo sa transport show, day 3, ayun, sa SMX. At May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am May. Ayun.
Yes.
End of flashback.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan. Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Please subscribe Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account. Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys! You can follow, subscribe, and like Alex Pangalinan's YouTube channel. Thank you!
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel. Hi! Please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube.
Hello mga biyaheros! Kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na. Huwag nyo na kayo pinch. Hello everyone! Nandito tayo sa World Trade Center at day 3 ng ATV.